Docs Plus contains document analysis tools to help assess students' writing and provide information about specific areas in need of development. To open the document analysis tools, go to the View ribbon tab and select Analysis. The first tab, Statistics, provides data on the length of the document and helps assess the complexity of the text. The History tab shows how long a student has spent on a piece of writing. This is good for ensuring that adequate time was spent on a task or that the work was completed in a reasonable timescale for that student. The next tab, Pasted Text, shows any sections of text pasted from sources other than the document itself, and there are two examples of that here. One shows appropriate use of pasted text, in this case a quote. The other is perhaps a more concerning use. The last tab, Spelling Corrections, shows which words were corrected using the spell checker, and also their context in the document. This is really useful for developing appropriate spelling intervention programs that are personalised to a particular student. Either save the document analysis results, or when you click on Print, you get a full report of all the results. This provides valuable evidence of your students' writing progress.